Hello friend, this is Prateek Vyas from 91 Mobiles and today I'm going to show you the box content of Oppo A74 5G. So you can slide it out this box like this. Let's keep it here. So after opening the box, you can see this small cardboard box, and in this you can see the SIM ejector tool, few documentation like quick start guide and user manual, and also the transparent cover which going to protect your phone for any harm. After this you can see the Oppo A74. After the phone you can see the USB Type-C cable and 2-pin wall charger. So that's all you get inside
device that offers some really good features. The phone comes with a 6.49-inch IPS Full HD Plus punch hole display with 2400 by 1080 pixels and a large screen to body ratio of 90.5% with a 90Hz refresh rate. Viewing content on this display is a delight. We have a 5000 mAh lithium polymer massive battery with fast charge technology, and it got me through most of the day with heavy usage, be it gaming or watching content. With Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G GPU 619 clocked at 650 MHz and 5G SIM supported powerful 2 GHz octa-core processor, we didn't feel any lag while multitasking or using heavy applications. We have a system-wide dark mode on this one to reduce strain on our eyes and lower power consumption, along with an eye comfort mode. We get multiple options to choose from in the native camera app too. Oppo phones come with a feature called Digital Well-being, which helps us to keep track of how much time we spend doing various activities on the phone. We can manage our usage through this feature, like restricting screen time and even restricting access to some apps or websites for parental control.